What is the importance of mother in human life? Importance of mother, how can it be described? No mother, no life. You are in this world only because of your mother. So, when we talk about importance of mother in human life, I should say mother is life. Because without mother, we should have not been here. Mother provides us her blood. She provides us her milk. She provides us her services by hand. She loves us. And if you say that, have you seen God anywhere on this earth? I'll say, yes, I have seen. And where God is definitely in every mother. Nothing is more divine than mother. And in our scripture, a human life is governed by, and human life is taught by, taken care of by 5 gurus. We do not have any capacity to do anything on our own unless one of these 5 gurus help us. And these 5 gurus are mother, father, surroundings, teachers, and spiritual gurus. Mother is the first one. The moment we are born, knowingly as well as unknowingly, she starts teaching us several things. The language which we speak has been taught to us by our mom. She was saying, and we were observing. Mom. And mothers also say to their babies, say mom, say papa. And they know about the child so much that they understand what letter your child will be able to speak first. And they start teaching you with that letter. And I want to tell you a little more. Not only about human mothers, but mothers of all the creature. Mothers of all the creatures. They are all in Maya. What is Maya? Even they remain hungry. You have seen birds in this ashram. There are several trees and we have birds and birds. In the morning you watch them carefully. Bird is bringing the food and feeding the baby birds. She is going, bringing it and not eating there. After the babies are fed, the bird goes and feeds itself. What does it mean? It means the importance of mother and importance of motherhood. So in your life, nothing is more important than our mother. And we think, whatever mother has done, I'll be able to do something in her old age, and that will take care of it. The love in blood relationships flows from higher age level to lower age level. Whatever affection, love your mother has provided you, you will never be able to return that. You can do and give and provide the same affection and same love to your children, but you will never be able to return the affection, the love, the care your mother has provided to you. It's unmatched. It's beyond a description. I can keep talking about the importance of love for the whole day, but still will not be able to tell even 1% of the real greatness of the mothers. They are greater than my imagination. They are greater than my thinking. Mothers are divine. Mothers are God. Mothers are love. Nothing in our life can be more important than our moms. And therefore, it is our duty that we be able to take care of our ailing moms and remember that whatever they have done, we will not be able to return even 1% of the affection, love and care they have given us. And in the concluding thing, I would like to tell you that mother is the God present with you at all time. If you want to serve divine, serve your mother, divine will be served. Thank you so much.